I'm Julie Anceriz, Health, Safety and Environment Manager with Syngenta Canada. We're here at Silver Creek Eggs to talk about some best practices to keep in mind when it comes to cleaning out seed treaters. Cleaning out your system regularly and between product changes is worth the extra effort. It will keep your equipment running smooth, and since there are typically several different recipes applied to various seed lots, particular care is required to avoid cross-contamination. It's important to thoroughly clean the components that regularly come into contact with product and treated seed, like the drum, the atomizer, the auger, inside the treating vessel, and tubing, because this is where product deposits can build up and compromise the quality of your seed treatment application. For specific equipment cleaning requirements, check your operation manual. For an effective cleanout, you should be equipped with simple green all-purpose cleaner, a towel or sponge, a putty knife, trowel, or similar scraper, a wand with a sponge, and a pressure washer. Following safe cleanout procedures is key to minimizing operator exposure to seed treatment dust and vapors. Follow these steps to reduce operator exposure during cleanout. First, power down, unplug, and lock out your treater before you start cleaning it. Put on your personal protective equipment, including safety glasses, long sleeve coveralls, and chemical resistant gloves. Mix up a cleaning solution. We recommend using a 50-50 mix of warm water and simple green all-purpose cleaner. A dust mask, for example N95, should be worn especially when scraping down parts to avoid breathing in dust from hardened seed treatment. Avoid entering the drum. Instead, use unusable seed to clean out buildup and chemical residue inside the treating vessel or auger. To do this, simply wet down some expired seed with your cleaning solution, set your drum treater to an angle, and allow the seed to pass through it at a slow rate. The seed will act as an abrasive cleaning agent, and the product buildup will adhere to the seed. For caked on, hard to remove treatment, use the appropriate cleaning tool, like a trowel, putty knife, or wand with a sponge, to manually remove that buildup. Clean out tubing by running a simple green mixture through. This should be done every time you switch seed care products. Ensure tubing is inspected for wear and tear regularly. Clean the atomizer by pumping simple green solution through it. Alternatively, if the atomizer is removable, it can be soaked in the solution. The residue rinsate from the cleaning process should be collected and disposed of according to local regulations. After cleaning out your treater and associated parts, remove personal protective equipment and wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water.